Note software, we can easily write the topic of our class, just like on a blackboard. And if we are to erase the strokes, use the palm to wipe on the screen without switching to other tools. Here we note, drawing a triangle no longer requires holding a ruler on the screen. Tap on the buttons on the right. The circumcircle and end circle will appear. Meanwhile, drawing a circle is as easy as never before. Tap on the right and we will see its center and its radius. Then drag the entire screen and we can have an unlimited space for writing. Writing here is with great convenience, where Note will change your handwriting into printing style right after you finish writing with your bare hands. In mathematics mode, tools for drawing geometric figures are near at hand, even when it comes to three-dimensional ones. Zoom out and drag them to a corner, thus we can write more with their presence. Select Compass tool in Toolbox. Adjust the radius, then move it to an ideal location. Finally, drag one hand for a full circle to show the process of drawing it. Besides, we can also draw a sector. In chemistry mode, Note offers a wide variety of experiment tools, like a sink, a flask, etc. We can pour the solution between different containers and determine the volume respectively. Also, using a cork is always a good idea to prevent the solution from running away. Moreover, learning about the structure of a particular element is less labor-intensive, and we can make comparisons between the elements that are in the same row or in the same column in a periodic table of elements. Surprisingly, importing image is made much more interesting. Import an image and delete its background, thus we can add an impressive element to our teaching